is everyone doing? Market has just opened, so that's great. Hopefully prices action is a bit better today. Hopefully we do get a trade. Hopefully. We'll see how it goes. That's a nice push up as soon as market opens. How's everyone doing? How is everybody doing? Don't think we have any news today or any major news. Yeah, no high impact news today, which is great. So, yeah. I appreciate the comment. I appreciate the comment, but I am good. Thank you very much, though. I am good. Yeah. Yesterday we didn't manage to take a. Sorry, I'm a bit sidetracked. Hopefully we manage to take a trade today. I will see if we can take a trade. We'll see if we can take a trade. Yeah, we haven't taken out. Oh, that's a big push up. Jesus Christ. We're just waiting for price. I'll pause the music on whilst we wait for the 9 a.m. to finish, and then we can go from there. Let's have a look.
Speeding through life in a GT3, doing 1, 2, 3. I don't list my L's. It's you bad, I give you my last. Wanna kiss your girl, but I know you gon' tell. Me and my brothers putting on G-Cell, and I'm still with my dogs, even if the shit fail. Ain't no shawty in a penthouse, so you get a touching on your body, you ain't know I rebel. On the body, step, slide with it. Left fist, AP to the sky with it. Let me know, is you spending your time?
What's everyone's bias for the day?
She born in it, tight dress, red bottom, no baton in it. Never born, she got me making promises. Let me know what you want from me, take from me, come from me now. Ain't sitting on her knees in the seats, ass in the air, windows roll now. She begging me to claim a new shit.
We do have a little bit of news coming out at 10, but not crazy high impact news. How's everyone going? How's everyone doing? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we are literally just waiting for 9 a.m. to be finished. Rolling 1 minute. She born in it, tight dress, red bottom, no baton in it. Never born, she got me making promises. Let me know what you want from me, take from me, come from me now. Ain't sitting on her knees in the seats, ass in the air, windows roll now. She begging me to claim a new shit, all the shit, yeah, and the price going up now. Real life too tough for a bitch, Want me to itself, want me to slow down.
A nice little push up after market open. That's always good to see. Don't forget, guys, we have got a 100 followers. We are giving away, or I am giving away a free funded account. So share the stream to other people and get more people interested, and we'll do it live. We'll announce the winner for the funded account, and we'll go from there.
No security, you see me, but that Glock spit. Youngest nigga doing it, that's why I pop shit. VVS is jumping while it's like a mosh pit. Really not shit, but I'm moving like I'm hot shit. Legal money coming in, I started off robbing. True to everything I did is really no flogging. All my shit been going up, little nigga, no dodging. And I'ma keep on coming with the heat, I'm hogging. Trench cake, glitter on a piece, stop sobbing. While them niggas hating, it defeats my noggin. If that ain't really your beef, stop siding. Say you tryna run in these streets, stop hiding. Run it up, run it up, run it up. Niggas broke cause they be on that funny stuff. Rich and money, my wrist me on. I done came way too far, I can't fuck it up. I got niggas that die by that gang. Stupid, be honest, you fuck with us. Hearing no walk aside, I be clutching up. Know the haters mad, they got enough of us. Run it up, 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 run it up.
Can't beat a lovely white monster. What do you guys want to see for today? Thanks for the follow as well. I didn't mention that before. Thanks for the follow. Sorry, I can't pronounce that properly.
They know it's me. Pinky ring get this singing like Jodeci. Double R and it came with a notary. I see stars, I'm a star like it's supposed to be. I pop bars, only way I can go to sleep. When my gang needed me, bought 100 P. Put the Patek on my wrist, a masterpiece. Put some diamonds on her and some double C. Fuck these niggas on up. Kicking my shit like I won the World Cup. Start from the tip, baby, so beat that shit.
Hopefully we do get a trade today. Yeah, we want to take out 9 AM high and 9 AM low, and then we'll push down or up. We'll see. We'll see.
Running that money up, putting on. Ain't no into this trend, it's a marathon. Different breed, I might bust down a herringbone. Boy, fly with them racks in my carry-on. Talking about money, you know who to call. It look like a riot, I fucked up the mall. She digging how me and my whole circle ball. Gave me some top through my ethical draw. Earrings 150, I'm thugging, I'm hood. I lost the screw back and put erasers on them. Why by the Daytona, been in the corner. Them hitters and rentals attack Arizona. Ain't getting no diploma. Shot dice for the J's, the freshest dude in the schoolhouse. You ain't gangster, you went took the smooth route. Ran it up, now my pockets look too stout. Never enough, man, I gotta go get some.
What's everyone looking for today?
Now I'm on the charts, so I'm running up screens. My niggas still got what you need, though. Built my name from the ground, I ain't had no help. It's just me versus me beefing with myself. It was time I woke them up, they overslept. Run it up, still ain't out of breath.
Run it up, 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 run it up. Run it up, 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 run it up. I just stack out that money, I run it up. Give a fuck about who love me, I run it up.
Hopefully we manage to get some sort of trade today.
Yeah, none of you pussies is acting the same. I know my money, I'm racking my brain. You pussies could never get back with the game. Go to the hotel right after your game, or come to your show and get back on the plane. This contract talk is frying my brain. The numbers they talking are actually insane. It's bees on the table.
Yeah, this is the boring bit about trading. You just sat waiting.
Bees on the table. I don't want to talk about ends. I don't want to talk about friends. I don't want to talk about how this shit started, man. I want to talk about how this
shit just like waiting for something that might not even happen. What did you guys trade? Out of curiosity.
Can't even talk to my dogs, can't even talk to my bitch. Sometimes
TV
I sit in
is
the
pretty
parking
cool.
garage and I talk to my watcher, I talk to my whip. It's bees on the table, bees on the table. Okay, it's bees on the table.
Nah, 3 viewers.
Bees on the table.
Really pushing up.
I've been on my just in case shit. I got a whole lot of names and dates and pictures of faces. Save whenever the right time and places. Trust me, I know this. Bees on the table.
I am in the process of switching brokers, so
Bees on the table.
might have a bit of a problem when it comes to
Spend months in the corner, just me and my
getting
bag.
trades sent and all this stuff. I'm waiting for an email back from them. To do that.
Let's wait on your Spotify rap. The messages you about to send on the 16th, please don't hit send on none of that. There's no need to check what the temperature is. You know what it is if you double back. Should've put another blade in my bag. Should've stood over and double
It's been
tap.
switched over,
Bank
so
with
hopefully
Charlie, the duffel
everything
bag.
works alright.
What
But
is
if
the
there's any
offer they
problems with my
said?
trade going through,
What did they put on
it's
the
because
table? What does that say on
I've
that
just moved to a new
paper?
broker.
Fuck that, they gotta double that, triple that.
Previous
Fuck
broker
is
wasn't that
bitch
great. With the broker, what brokers do you
Coming to the 6 and we dipping you boys like a christening.
what brokers do you guys use?
Kevin Hart Lincoln, he shook, I'ma put you in sticky predicaments.
And where's everyone from?
Till he might come take a stick off a pussy like they was transitioning. I'm fighting a man, not suing a rapper, you boys not listening. Your boyfriend a fisherman, that's just a word in the industry, don't mean to be in your business. I'm talking spicy, hot, sizzling, don't stick around if you visiting. Yeah, what is the offer they said? What did they put on the table? Better treat me like Shane Cobbler. Bank tellers better stay clocked in. Bank tellers better. Bees on the table.
Don't tell your dreams. Don't tell your dreams to everybody around. Some people smile, but wanna see you down. Keep it quiet, don't make a sound. Let your success be what shakes the ground.
Don't tell your dreams to everybody around. Some people smile, but wanna see you down. Keep it quiet, don't make a
As I said, guys, we don't
sound.
have any news coming up today. Obviously, yesterday we had PMI
Haven't earned
manufacturing,
a
which was
but I'm aiming for the sky.
interesting,
One day
to
I'll
say the
fill a
least.
stadium, watch the crowd
Price didn't really move that great with them,
multiply.
so
Hard work, now they're watching every move.
we'll just see how it goes.
It's just a warm up, got a lot more to prove. Secure my position.
We'll see how today
now
goes.
my
Hopefully,
partners are
the
impressed.
fact that we
Used to
don't have any
stress to starting
news
out,
coming out
now
or
I'm
anything
chasing
helps
nothing less. Work
price.
smart, not hard. That's how the maximum is made. Got local currency for now, but the dollar's on the way. I cannot forgive betrayal. That's the line I won't erase. I don't need the fame, just the power and the place. Competitors
things around
chasing
them, yeah.
numbers, ready, set, go, start the race. I'm running too, but with patience, keeping steady pace. Got a mentor by my side, that's the way it's meant to
Also,
be.
today I did have a piss
Ground
before the
stand
stream,
out
so
heavy,
I won't have to
making
go for
clear
one
to
later.
see. Focused on results, never begging for attention.
Attention.
Built on foundation in the streets with pure intention.
Don't tell your dreams to everybody around. Some people smile, but wanna see you down. Keep it quiet, don't make a sound. Let your success be what shakes the ground. Don't tell your dreams to everybody around. Some people smile, but wanna see you down. Keep it quiet, don't make a sound. Let your success be what shakes the ground.
How's everyone going today? Anyone taking a trade yet today?
I'm not rich, but I live like a millionaire. No stress, no fear, I don't even care. Lights on me, yeah, everywhere. I'm not rich, but I live like a millionaire. I'm not rich, but I live like a millionaire. No stress, no fear, I don't even care. Lights on me, yeah, everywhere. I'm not rich, but I live like a millionaire. I woke up solo, yeah, I'm on my own tonight. Quit that job, you ain't losing nothing, live your life.
Yeah, at the moment we're just waiting till 10 AM comes around and then we can start to look at taking a trade.
Why they always tryna count your cash? Why they always wanna see you crash? Too many questions, too many.
Might have someone join the stream in a bit. Don't know yet. Waiting for him to get back to me.
Play a role, but we came from the bottom.
That's the code, we don't fold, we don't beg, we don't freeze. Build it up from the dirt, now we breathe. I'm not rich, but I live like a millionaire. No stress, no fear, I don't even care. Lights on me everywhere. I'm not rich, but I live like a millionaire. I'm not rich, but I live like a millionaire. No stress, no fear, I don't even care. Lights on me everywhere. I'm not rich, but I live like a millionaire.
Oh, it's a long way till 10 a.m. What's everyone's plans for today? You guys can comment as well, and we can talk about trading and stuff like that. More than happy to interact with you guys and talk to you guys and stuff.
In silence, they don't know what it costs. No risk, no story. I was ready to get lost. I'm trying to vote, I'm trying to sprint, I'm trying to outrun the ghost of who I've been. Feel that cold steel scraping in my throat.
Yeah, as I said, when we get to 100 followers, when we get to 100 followers, I'll give away a funded account, like a sort of like milestone sort of thing. So by all means, share around and things. And would you guys like to see like just a chatting video, like a stream, just chatting and stuff?
Discipline made me now feeling like a boss. In silence, they don't know what it costs. No risk, no story. I was ready to get lost. Stay hungry, stay dangerous. Dripping in the off. Discipline made me.
Yeah, we'll just see how price reacts.
In silence, they don't know what it costs. No risk, no story. I was ready.
We have got news coming out at 10 a.m. and I've already said it.
Tired of ducking truth, dancing on the window. Edge of the ledge, looking down at the street, trying to outrun the beast, but I smell like the meat. Tried to end the cycle.
Jolt's job offering, factory orders month to month, RMC, TIPP, economic optimism, and API weekly statistical bulletin. Yeah, nothing crazy. So we're just waiting for all that to come out. But we have about 10 minutes. Anything you guys want to talk about for 10 minutes? Oh, yeah. Still have to sleep this morning. Well, this afternoon is like 3 o'clock in the UK at the moment, but we'll see. We'll see. Been busy. Okay, we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. So it'll be 10 a.m. New York time. Then we can look at taking a trade. Hopefully we do take a trade, because yesterday we didn't, if you guys remember. It was awful. We didn't take anything. No trades, no nothing. I know I'm not a great singer, but I don't really give a shit, to be honest. It doesn't make a difference to me. Yeah, as I said, we're just waiting for 10 AM to be taken. Might start my stream a bit later, next couple of days. I don't think I'll be streaming for the rest of the week. Apart from the weekend, I might do a quick recap over the weekend. See how it goes. But I think, yeah, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I won't be streaming. Gonna be busy. And next week I might trade London session rather than New York session. Because I won't be. I think the way I'm going to do it is 1 week. 1 week I trade New York session, and the next week I trade London session. Like stream it. I'll trade both anyway, but I then might do a little market look forward for. Bang to the 305. I did put the stream yesterday on YouTube last night. So if you guys want to go back and rewatch it, you can. Or, on YouTube or on Kick as well. Doesn't really make a difference, but. Got a nice bullish push this morning. Also, I think they're taking a holiday at the end of the year. So I think they're going to the US. Might go to New York. Might take a little video for YouTube for it. After. I've got like a sort of vlog-esque camera, if you can call it that. But most of the time I'll just do it on my phone. Would you guys watch one of those? Like a sort of like day in the life as a day trader in New York or something like that?
I can't get no sleep.
Bang to the 305. Back to the 305. We're getting there. We've got just less than 10 minutes till we can start trading properly. Obviously, first things first, mark out the high and the low. So we got the low here. We haven't quite made the high yet, so hopefully we do take a trade. I'm really hoping that we do. But yesterday was boring without a trade.
I can't sleep. I can't get no sleep. Back to the 305. Got to get back to the 305. Back to the 305. Got to get back to the 305.
Yeah, as I said, guys, this is a boring bit, just waiting. Waiting for your number one step in your strategy to get hit, or number two and number three. I know I spoke about it yesterday on the stream, but it's just sometimes it gets a bit boring. But I enjoy it. I live for it. See if we can make some money today. Money. Yeah, we'll just see how it goes. I've been live for almost half an hour now. Yeah, for any new people that are coming in, when we get to 100 followers, I will be doing a giveaway for a live account. So if you want to share it around with people, you're more welcome to. Get more people to follow. We'll see if we can give someone away not a live account, sorry, a funded account. But yeah, probably like a 50k account. Just to get more people interested, I guess. Just people more than likely to share it around and things like that. And we'll do a giveaway for it. We want to start to do more giveaways, like give back to like the community and and things. I mean, that's one of the reasons why I started doing this. Like, I'm not too interested about how many people follow me and stuff. I just want someone to learn, like people to learn something. We're getting there. 5 minutes. 5 minutes and we can start looking at taking a trade. Yeah, in London session this morning, we didn't get much of a move. Wasn't any trades either. In London session, I tend to look for a liquidity sweep, which was here, then a change of character here, and then fill a fair value gap, which we kind of did here, but wasn't a strong move out of the fair value gap, so didn't take a trade, and it was very inconsistent. A lot of consolidation and stuff within the London market. I think markets are just waiting to see what happens with Iran and the US, just because obviously they're having talks again about potential like peace talks and stuff like that. So if we can get like a peace deal and them actually stick to it, that would probably be quite good for the markets. But we shall see what happens. Do you guys think that the whole deal with Iran and the US is making trading easier or harder? I know I did see on like TikTok or something, someone said that like trading at the moment, like if you can learn to trade in this market condition and stuff, then you can basically trade in any market. So now's the best time to learn. Just purely because it's just so inconsistent. It's all over the place. You have days that this price is just moving nowhere, just waiting for something, and then you've got days where price is just like, not so much skyrocketing today. It's not really moving that much. And then you have days where it's just like, no, not happening, and just down like 4%. We're up almost 2% today, so we're doing pretty well. But yeah, if you're starting to trade today or during this market at the moment, then you'll be alright in the future. Once markets go back to normal and things, you'll be alright. So yeah, if you are trading this time and you are struggling, but you're still managing to keep profitable, then trust me, you will be okay once everything goes back to normal. Well, normal, I mean like the whole Iran and US, all that stuff and the things. I think everyone that starts has like rough times where they're like, it's a big crap. But you can't have a winning day every day, bro. Gotta be patient. I think now. Patient. It's like we haven't actually, I don't know, we filled this fair value gap here. Not that one. This one, yeah. Completely filled it last. Yeah, we did fill this fair value gap here. Filled that fair value gap there. Respected it and pushed up, so. I think at the moment, price knows what it wants. It knows what it wants. We got 1 minute. Let's see what happens. Mark out the hour. Mark out the 9 AM high. There we go. Now it's time to start trading, guys. Yeah. Well, in like 20 seconds. If price takes out 9 AM high and 9 AM low. If price doesn't, then it's going to be interesting. But yeah, the stream's struggling a little bit. I did just start recording for YouTube, so. Hopefully it sorts itself out soon. Let's just stop the recording and see what happens.
Every day I go places in my head. Darker thoughts are hard to know. They look like monsters under my bed.
Hopefully that's a bit better for you guys. I've just stopped recording for YouTube. So. Might be internet, sorry. See if the stream gets any better. Yeah, it's still unstable. Might as well give it a minute to see what happens. Right, we're back. Yeah. Ooh. Computer's struggling a little bit. Struggling a lot, actually. There we go. So, let me just change some of the settings real quick. Yeah, hang on, guys. I'm just show you some of the settings. Right, let's see how we do. Right, we'll cover up to walls 9 AM high. Hopefully we take out and push back down. Come on, just take off from that damn time. There we go, finally took the fucking 9 AM high, thank God for that. There you go, stream's a bit better now. I don't know why it took so long to... I think my internet went off. I lost a few bandwidths or something, I don't know. We finally took 9 AM high. Let me know, guys, if the stream's a bit more better for you. I can't see it, obviously. I'll just get notifications when the stream's unstable. Let me know, guys. Sorry, mic was on mute. Everything was going a bit crazy though. We're currently just waiting for a changing character after we took out 9 AM high. Like everything with my PC was just going crazy. Yeah, my PC had a bit of a brain fart, so I had to sort it out quickly. We're back though. We're back. How's everyone doing? People that are just joining, we've taken out 9 AM high. Yeah, we've taken out 9 AM high. I'm waiting for a change of character. Back down to start. Well, taking shorts.
All our shadows disappeared, the animals inside came out to play. Went face to face with all our fears, learned our lessons through the tears, made memories.
How's everyone doing, eh?
One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. He took me in his arms, I heard him say.
Alright, I'll come back down, looking like we're gonna get a change of character. What I like to see. You say one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights that never die. My father told me. Anyone taking a trade yet?
He said go venture far beyond the shores. Don't forsake this life of yours. I'll guide you home no matter where you are.
I tried recording whilst I was streaming, and the PC was like, yeah, no, you don't want to even bother with that. Weird. But it's not perfect computer, but it's alright. He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights that never die. My father told me. We're getting there, lads. We're getting there. Just need a market structure shift, and then we can look at taking a trade, which looks like it's going to be quite soon. Well, probably not, actually. Literally, as soon as I said that, it's just... We'll see. We'll see. If we don't get a trade, it's not the end of the world. We have taken 9 AM. We have taken 9 AM high already. So literally just wait for a market structure shift and then a fair value gap. And then we're going to short to the other side, which is actually quite a big trade, to be fair. Why do we do? Why do we do? Why do we argue? We argue the way we do. Just wanted to push back down. We did have news come out at 10 on the dot. Just got a notification about it now actually. JOLTS jobs openings 7.359 million versus 7.440 million. Gonna be alone no more. Do you believe in love like I do? What trades has everyone taken today so far? Just waiting for a market structure shift at the moment. Hopefully it won't be too long. Can just see. Just wanted to disrespect this fair value gap and continue lower. Please. I beg. I do not want a week where I'm not trading. It's Tuesday. Tuesday? Yeah, it's Tuesday. And I haven't taken a trade yet this week. Couldn't take one yesterday because of ISM manufacturing, and then haven't taken one yet today. However, we are only like 14 minutes into our trading zone, the kill zone. There we go. Oh, can't beat a white monster in the morning. Or afternoon as it is. You believe in love like I do. Leave me alone. Yeah, it looks like respecting these fair value gaps. I wanted to disrespect it, come back down, change character, boom. Fill the bearish fair value gap, boom, enter. The thing is, if it gets too far away from like the zone, like the 9 AM zone that I trade with, like this zone here, then I tend to, tend to just not trade. Let's see if we've got any liquidity levels. Could take liquidity there, liquidity there, liquidity there. To be fair, price has taken this liquidity here, so yeah, these are the areas of liquidity, like hourly liquidity. We have already taken this one. There are several more higher, which I hope that we don't get to. This is the thing, like, if there's an opportunity to take a trade and you don't end up taking it and stuff, it's like not the end of the world. I know I said this yesterday. Like, everyone's trade is slightly different. Like, one of you guys, you might take a trade from this. You might say, oh, well, it filled this fair value gap and stuff. Like, it took out this liquidity here and then filled the fair value gap here and boom. Oh, we've had a change of character. And it's relatively close to the buy zone. I'm happy with that. Change your character. Hands up on my body. You still make my heart beat fast, Ferrari. With me in the wave, but in the morning. Do you still want me? Usually I like for it to hit the first fair value gap, but I'm not really that bothered. But we have, so number one, we're taking out 9am high. Number two, we have got a change of character, market structure shift. We haven't got a fair value gap anymore. And then change the character will be up here to go further up. So put your hands up on my body. You so make my heart beat fast, Ferrari. Like a lot of people would say, like, oh, why don't you just long here? And then, Jesus Christ, that's a, like, put it underneath this here and then target here. No, that's not me. Not me. Although, yeah, don't get me wrong, that is a good strategy. I'm not gonna lie, like, following the trend. Well, I mean, they do say the trend is your friend and stuff, but.
I'll be right by your side. I'll be there when you need me. I'll be your only remedy. And if we get too high, falling right through the ceiling, remember what you said to me.
Yeah, just waiting for a fair value gap now, and then we can look to enter. Looks like we are. Maybe took out some liquidity here. This here, the 9am high, and then also there was previous liquidity from previous hours. Probably like yesterday or this morning. I didn't have to check when it was. When you need me, I'll be your only remedy. No, it's not printing very well, to be honest. Maybe I'm therapy. Yeah, it's not printing great. We're not really getting any like crazy displacements or anything. Do want a big jump so I can take a or create a fair value gap and then respect it. To be fair, the further into the zone is better. So if we like fill a fair value gap here, I'd rather that. Like if we make a fair value gap, let's say we make a fair value gap here. Whoa. But then price comes down like this and then ends up pushing back into it and then comes all the way down to my TP down here. That's what I'd want because it's closer to like, so there's less risk in it for me. So the further down, obviously, yeah, don't get me wrong, if I make a fair value gap here and then enter and go all the way down, then yes, I'll make more money, which obviously is the aim of the game. You want to make as much money as possible, but you want to lower your risk as much as possible at the same time. If you have too much risk, then it just makes it hard for you. So so remember, you want to lower your risks. We don't need no therapy. I don't know, a couple people saying your strategy doesn't work. Well, it's like, well, it does for me. Just want some sort of fucking fair value gap. I've got an inverse fair value gap here. If you inverse is the opposite of a fair value gap. There you go, inverse fair value gap there. Same as a fair value gap, but you just, instead of respecting it, you just disrespecting it in a sense to show that there is a potential for the price to push you the way, which obviously we can see it is doing. However, yeah, we don't have any fair value gaps down here. We do here. This is the only fair value that we have, and here, and here, and here. Those are just stacked fair value gaps, so I'm not too bothered about that. Obviously, we are still respecting this fair value gap here, this bullish fair value gap. Yeah, it looks like we're respecting it. I kind of want to disrespect it, to be honest. We have gone past the consequence encroachment, which means it's probably not that strong. So, and to be fair, with this push up here, we didn't manage to close above this high here, which leads me to believe that liquidity has been taken. So, price is just a bit inconsistent. Doesn't really know what it wants or where it's going. But we'll see. There we go. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. So what we want is for price to close, hopefully close as far down as possible. But with the way these are printed, that's like so this candle here, this one here, very, very small. It's very inconsistent. Neither buyers nor sellers are winning on that one, right? But we've got a lot of selling pressure, as you can see, coming down. But at the moment, buyers are winning because we've got like the actual candle body is like a bullish candle, right? So at the moment, it's very like backwards and forwards between buyers and sellers. Yeah, I don't really know what's going on. We've still got like over half an hour till, so we'll just see how it goes. I don't think price knows where it wants to go. I mean, I think we did take out liquidity here just purely, as I said, we didn't manage to come up and take out the high, like close above the high. With this here. So we got this high here. So if anything pushes up, so you want like this high or this high to push up above this one. So we are still making lower lows and lower highs, which is great. It's what we want to see for a downtrend. It's just not printing very great, so we'll just see how it goes. You might have days that price action's a bit shit, and you might have days that price action's a bit better. Well, we'll just see. But at the moment, like we've got a bit of a consolidation at the moment. Also got equal lows here. I just want price to keep going down. I just literally want price to make a fucking bearish fair value gap. Please, Trump, just fucking tweet somewhere. Push price down. So as you can see, price managed to push above this high, but did it close? And this one as well. And this one, to be fair. So we've got all these highs here. Alright, closed above that one. Now we've got this one here. Where are you? We have changed character to the upside as well, which is not ideal. In a perfect situation, perfect scenario, which never fucking happens, we would obviously we got to change the character here, and then we continue lower, create a fair value gap, come back up, respect the fair value gap, and then push all the way down lower. But obviously we only take A+ setups, so we have to wait and see. Right, ideal world, we would inverse this gap. So I want this to be, well, it's a fair value gap at the moment, but we'll see if we inverse it. But at the moment, it's not looking like we're gonna be able to take a trade. Again, second day in a fucking row. I've been live just over an hour. Yeah, just want to see price. At the moment, we're waiting for price to come down. I want it to inverse this fair value gap, disrespect it, push through it, close below it, and then continue lower. Get another change of character to the downside. But we are above that high. Yeah, we're close above that high. So I think that's. This is going to be the fucking second day in a row without a trade. Second day in a row without a trade. Yeah, price hasn't been that great this week. I've seen a lot of people do manage to take trades, but this is just my strategy. So. Right. We could potentially come back from this. Potentially. I doubt it, but we could. I want to see price come back down, inverse both of these fair value gaps, but then we get a change of character to the downside. Then we get a bearish fair value gap, and then we enter off the bearish fair value gap. I'm just surprised because we did take out this liquidity like from previous hours ago. Like there was like these here that we took out from that push up. Hopefully we don't go for these ones up here, otherwise again it's going to be a no trade day. But we'll just wait and see. It's not end of the world if we don't take a trade, but it's just a bit long. As I said yesterday, exactly the same word actually. But looking like we're respecting this fair value gap. Yep, we just respected him. Oh. Not every day is a take a trade day. You could go weeks without taking trades with this strategy. It's about taking like the best possible setups, best like A plus setups, and being like, yes, this is perfect. We'll see if we can disrespect these fair value gaps, inverse them. Looking like we might. We have 10 seconds to close. Very nice. Right, we've inversed one of the gaps. One of the fair value gaps. However, as you can see, there is another one underneath it, so just because it disrespects this one doesn't mean the price is going to push lower. Because at the moment we are respecting this fair value gap. Which, yeah, looks like we are respecting it. I mean, we still got 30 seconds to see. To be fair, price could use this as a resistance. Okay, or not. Literally, as soon as I said that, it's like, no, fuck you. It happens. Alright, maybe we did use it as resistance. We'll see. Yeah, so if we have a inverse fair value gap, sometimes, not all the time, but most of the time, price might use it as a resistance, so it won't go any higher, kind of like a ceiling, if you're gonna put it that. So you would have like the inverse fair value gap. I'll actually draw an inverse fair value gap. You would have the inverse fair value gap. Price would come down, inverse it, and then price would come up, maybe to the consequence encroachment, usually 9 times out of 10, and then it would continue lower like that. That's what I tend to see. And then it would continue lower like that. That's usually so that's what I'm hoping is going on here, hopefully. Oh no, there we go. I just went through explaining that, and it's like, nah. As I said, 9 times out of 10, doesn't always happen like that, but we did inverse it, but we did respect the fair value gap. If it's just an inverse fair value gap on its own, then 9 times out of 10, it will just disrespect it, and then use it as a resistance. But we'll see. What's up, guys? We haven't, for new people that are joining, we haven't managed to take a trade yet. I'm still waiting for my strategy to play out. But your eyes are always empty. See the truth that you're leaving me behind. Oh, it inverts the first fair value gap and is now respecting it. So it's great. I'm just waiting for something like a market structure shift here, push below it, then we get a fair value gap, then we enter. We've still got time. We've got just less than half an hour to enter. Even if it's like 10:59 and it respects everything, like market structure shift, fair value gap, everything like that, we can still enter from that, so that's fine. You just have to be patient with it. You have to sit here for an hour and a bit and wait for it. No doubt tomorrow, the day that I'm not gonna fucking trade, I'll get an entry. Not gonna trade, not gonna stream, sorry. Don't even know what I'm talking about. But price isn't printing that great, to be completely honest with you. I think the past couple of weeks, price has been a bit all over the place, just purely because of like all the Iran stuff and whatnot. But we'll just see how it goes next couple of weeks.
Gucci bag in a taxi downtown. Told your friends you're better now. Changing numbers, changing names, but it's
Shut it down when it start, when I need me now. Tell my mama all the time on the TV now. Fuck around, stay live if you see me now. That shit kinda get kinda tedious. I'm a minute for some time.
Yeah, not looking like we're gonna take a trade today, guys.
Can you see me?
when you call my name, it's like a little prayer. I'm down on my knees. I wanna take you there. In the midnight hour, I can feel your power, just like a prayer. You know I'll take.
We just need to wait for price to push back down and then get a change of character. That's what we're waiting for. But we'll see how it goes. I don't think we had any other. Let's see if we had any other liquidity zones up here. Not really any key liquidity levels. No, we don't really have any key liquidity levels that we took out here. There are some higher up. Just hoping that we don't push up and take those out, because that'll be a pain in the ass.